Now we will see how the fluid behaves when it is at rest. This when it is not moving. On the screen, there, there is a this is a container and this liquid is there inside this container up to the AB level, and this is open to sky. Naturally, at this level, AB level, it will be atmospheric pressure will be there, and we can denote it as PA. This ABCD block I have taken inside the liquid, which is like this. Here, area is this. We will be talking about this area which is perpendicular to the force. Now at AB level, suppose F1 force is there, and of course at the midpoint of this block, this will be the mass of the or the weight of the liquid, and then at the lower level, BC level, F2 force is acting on this. F2 is nothing but F1 plus mg. F2 is, suppose P2 is the pressure at the level of DC, and P1 is the pressure at the level of AB, then F1 will be P1A and F2 will be P2A, correct? So we can put here P2A is equal to P1A plus what will be the mass of this? Mass is nothing but, suppose density is rho, then density into volume, and what will be volume? Its area is A, and if this AB level is suppose Y1 and BC level is suppose Y2, then what will it will become? Y2 minus Y1. Correct? So that means P2 pressure at DC is nothing but pressure at AB plus rho Y2 minus Y1. We can write it as suppose height of the, or you can take it as Y2 minus Y1. Correct? Suppose AB level is coinciding with this level, then what will be? Your Y1 will become 0, and suppose height of this is h, then we can simply write it as P2 will be nothing but, now here suppose AB level is coinciding with AB, then P1 will become as atmospheric pressure plus rho g h. H is nothing but here this height y2 minus y1 is h. When y1 become 0, then y2 is nothing but h. So that means at any point h in the container, let us draw another figure. Suppose this is the container. This is the liquid level. That means at any point h at this level, pressure will be what? PA plus rho GH. Atmospheric pressure, because here it is atmospheric pressure plus rho GH. Now, this P2, what is this P2? P2 is called absolute pressure. And P2 minus P0 is equal to nothing but rho GH. And this is called Gauss pressure. And this is what you measure with the instruments. So this proves that the pressure in a fluid is the same for all points at the same level. This is what in the last lecture also I told you. At the same level, if it is at the same level point is there, then the pressure will also be there, will be same. And what about Gauss pressure? Gauss pressure is the difference between the absolute pressure at a point and the atmospheric pressure. Correct? I hope this is clear from you, from this. So our pressure at any point, the Gauss pressure at any point is simply rho G H. You have to just measure the height and you can find out the pressure, provided you are given the density.